if you don't know what the gambrel is, essentially this is a cross section where you are viewing the walls through the side view. On the plot, they look like the side of a gun, and what this is telling us is thin vertical line right here. This is a total extent of the wellbore in the lateral, where inclination is more than 75 degrees. And we have the thick vertical line. It's a standard deviation of the well's TVT positions, where which represents approximately 68% of the well bore from average, which is where the cross here is. And you got a lateral distribution on the lateral axis here. This is a horizontal line, shows azimuthal deviation. And we are currently doing it in a TVT scale. So my TVT scale, and it is based on the geosteering interpretation of the active lateral well. And how do I know what my active lateral well? I see the little symbol here next to the label, next to the well name. In my case, the active well is Yosko-Kinkler Unit 505H. And if I want to select a different active well, I can, let's unselect the lasso tool here, and we can manually drag this icon on the map view. And we can additionally easily change the azimuth. And it will take a second to, usually takes a second to catch up with me. So let's do it this way and update the gambrel plot.